What's up guys, and welcome to the ultimate Galaxy S22 Ultra battery drain test. We've got 3 Ultra phones from Samsung on the table and of course one imposter, which is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the current reigning defending champion of the battery drain test. Let's see what we can expect on the new S22 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. Yes, this is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 model that I'm testing out. The Note 20 Ultra is also the Qualcomm model, and then we have the Galaxy S21 Ultra with the Exynos 2100 chip. Here is all what we're going to be doing in this test, so kick back, relax, and I'll see you guys on the other side.
I'm a globetrotter. You and I 비교나 하지만 우리 너무 달라. We just different. 나 좀 봐라. 여자나 집이나 세차나가 신다 너무 빨라. I'm a globetrotter. You and I 비교나 하지만 우리 너무 달라. We just different. 나 좀 봐라. 여자나 집이나 세차나가 신다 너무 빨라. I'm a globetrotter. 지금부터 시작이야. 한턱에 money calls 오지게 리듬이야. 한턱에 money meant the moves. I've been killing it now. 아직 대비 미쳐버린 범인 아니니까. 하돌아봐 한 미래로 돌아가 한 doing it cause I'm fly now. 비교나 더 알아 지금까지 못하잖아. 켜보지만 나의 실력이 no visa. 뉴욕에서 한국까지 everybody raving visa. I'm balling out cause I'm a globetrotter. Yeah, 나처럼 잘 나가는 래퍼 불러. Yeah, 내 손이 나가다가 everybody staring. I don't need to play with rockets 나의 빗줄 내지. I'm a globetrotter. You and I 비교나 하지만 우리 너무 달라. We just different. 나 좀 봐라. 여자나 집이나 세차나가 신다 너무 빨라. I'm a globetrotter. You and I 비교나 하지만 우리 너무 달라. We just different. 나 좀 봐라. 여자나 집이나 세차나가 신다 너무 빨라. I'm a globetrotter. Trotter. 나 계속 올라가다. I know all about it, body. Body. 소리 너무 많이 친다. 빨리 들어가래. How we sound it. Sound it. 자리 빨리 비켜 내가 온다니까. 받아하지 못한 난 실려왔다니까. 너 계속 여기 맴돌아. 와라 말은 두바이. I'm a globetrotter. 이 신발에도 절대 멈추진 않아. You know I gotta go. 내 시간 넌 잡아. 집중 focus all you know is the guala. Boy you slacking, people talking. 말만하지 ain't no action.
Okay guys, we are back, and looking at the results, once again the iPhone 13 Pro Max is just in its own league, touching 11 hours in this crazy test. Then we have the S22 Ultra coming at 9 hours and 27 minutes, which is actually pretty good, more than what I initially expected from this Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 model. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is not that far behind, almost touching the 9-hour mark. And then we have the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra hitting the 8 hours and 22 minutes mark. This Note 20 Ultra was kept pretty fresh, so I'm not sure if every Note 20 Ultra will have this battery performance, but still very impressive for this Snapdragon variant. Overall, the iPhone still remains the champ. I wish Samsung had a better, more improved battery performance compared to the last generation. Still, the performance is pretty good. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.